Hi, it's Janelle here, and I want to say thank you so much for just coming on this page and for your interest in my services. Whether you've gotten here from social media or a friend shared the link with you, I just want to say thank you. So whether you're interested in the free Shopify trial that I have available, or you're interested in a free workshop that I have, or we even have business plan templates that I am sharing for free and other services. So if you want to just go down below and fill out your details, and the last section, you just check off everything you're interested in. You receive an email with more details, and you'll also receive another email directly from me with just some personalized advice, tips, even me asking you more in-depth questions so I can further help you. So once again, thank you so much for your interest in my services, and have a blessed day.